So this was supposed to be a clean and easy mod to install. Instead, I ended up with a broken direct drive wheel. I give up. I don't know what's wrong with it. Why does it not work? And about 3 hours of footage I couldn't even look at. Until now. Let's rewind to last September. I saw something on Instagram that thought was impossible. A modded steering wheel for the Cammus C5. For majority of the wheels on the market, swapping your rim to a different one is as simple as unscrewing a few bolts, but for this particular wheel, it's not. The rim seems to be inside of the body with no visible bolts out in the open. So I was instantly intrigued by this, and 3D Wrap were kind enough to send me their custom GT3 style steering wheel rim mod and magnetic paddle shifter mod, which also would upgrade the already existing super small stock paddles from Cammus by a lot. First, I installed the magnetic paddle shifters as it felt easier to access and get myself warmed up before the big challenge. Well, we can see how tiny the paddles really are. Also, we can see what's exactly as the mechanism, how it works, these paddle shifters, because they work a bit differently than some other paddle shifters. So we have 2 little buttons when you push in the pedals, and when they both get pressed, it counts as an input. And I have noticed that like sometimes it doesn't count input, so I guess like it only presses one button and then the other doesn't get pressed, which does explain the shifting issues I had with this wheel. Installing this mod is a bit weird. You don't get any paper instructions and have to follow a tutorial from YouTube, which not only sounds weird, but it also not includes all the important details. I mean, the difference is massive. It's basically like you versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. Why would you want this? This is the way how to go. Now it's in place, I guess we have to just install it from the other side. Next up, we have to take the other part of the magnet and the new paddle shifters and I guess just attach them both together. Okay, so I think this just needs to stick here somehow, like that. And that is it. Oh wait, I need to get the bolts. I don't think I did it the right way. Is it supposed to be like that? Okay, it seems to be in. It is uneven. Let's see how it shifts, I guess. I was expecting it to make a magnetic sound though, but it doesn't make it. I did more screwing and it kind of looks better now. And they're still pretty quiet actually, but they do feel, well, bigger and I do like it. This thing was kind of easy. However, this one might not be that easy. For the wheel mod, once again, I had to follow a YouTube tutorial, which made me not only stressed, but also quite depressed and confused. Now the second mod will require me to do something that I have never tried in my life, which is tearing down the wheel and going into its insides. I really hope I won't screw this thing up. Now we gotta begin by taking these screws out. Oh my god, these are some tiny ass screws, oh my goodness. Right, and then these things should just pop right out. The next thing, I think, is to get rid of these things. Might need to use a knife to get under it. Oh, I scratched. Oh, this just pops out like that. Okay, I did scratch a bit of the carbon fiber faceplate. Again, should not use probably a knife for... Oh my god. Well, I guess I just have to do whatever I see. There's also like some glue on it or like something that looks different. Let me try just to get it out. Because of this molding, I don't even know what type of screw I need. Like, is it hexagon or is it like Phillips screwdriver? I'm confused. Oh, okay, it's working. Okay, now get the other one. Oh, it doesn't want to grip because of that little stupid ass molding. I mean, this could be maybe as like warranty protection, but at the same time, like, I didn't see a sticker that says warranty void. Should be still fine with warranty. I hope. Oh, come on, get in! Because of the little molding, it literally doesn't want to like get in. This feels like a stupid thing to do. Why would you put molding on screws? Like, mate, I cannot literally like use it. This is so stupid. Whoever thought of this thing, why would you put molding inside of a screw? I literally cannot get the screw inside of it. Even when I'm trying to force it in, it doesn't go in. Ah, come on. Why does it always have to be something additional that is so stupid? At least like dig out that gunk. Oh, I got a little piece of it. Oh, let's go. Oh, we got it. This just lifts off. Great. Once I revealed this bomb-looking type of faceplate, my ADHD fully went away and I became more focused than I have ever been in my life. The inside of this thing looks like an actual bomb. It's really funny because like you have like this little like, I guess like a ticking clock, wires. It just reminds me of just bombs. Genuinely, like, you know, movies like, oh my god, like I have to do bombs. I'm like, oh, this is not gonna be fun. This is gonna be hella stressful to do. 4 bolts out here. And I think then maybe like these 2 bows out here, and that should be it. I'm being so silent. This is a rare occasion of me being silent because I'm so stressed. It literally feels like I'm just trying to defuse a bomb and not like up something. Right, how do I take these ones off? I don't think I have the tools for that. I need a socket wrench, I think, which I don't have. I don't have wrenches that are this tiny. I found this little wrench. It's a goddamn Soviet wrench. So this is my only solution. This thing is adjustable, so it might help me. Oh my god, it's working. Oh, let's go. Oh my god, this is amazing. But then once again, I met my worst enemy. The molded connectors. I should be able to lift it out, but I need to get these two little connectors out. And I see they are also molded. And this is like near connectors, so like I'm scared to use a knife with it. Why are they using molds with it? I hate it so much. I mean, I don't know what to even use, like how to get these like molds off. Do not break anything, do not break anything. I'm stressful. That's not good. I don't know what to do. I have a fucking toothpick. This might help me a bit. Just don't fuck up the connectors or the board. Why would you do this, Cammus? Oh my god, these stupid molds. They're so pointless. Why would you put molds out here? For them to stay in place and like not get disconnected, I guess? Sure. But just make the connectors better. I don't know. I cannot deal with stress at all. Oh my god. I am not enjoying this. That's a big piece. This is such pain in the ass to do. God, I hate this thing. Oh, that's a big piece. It now may actually be free. It wants, come on. I feel like slowly it is coming out, but like this needs so much precision, which I do not have, because I watched the instructional video and in that video like they did it so easily. I cannot. No, like generally I'm gonna break some cables. I'm gonna snap them. I mean, they literally just pulled it by the cable and it just came out. My hands are slippy now also. Right, now this is actually becoming a full surgery all of a sudden. Yes! We got one more left. I'm feeling like a surgeon right now, and it's not fun. Ooh. And now I do feel like at the bottom behind it, something is connected from the bottom, so I'll have to unplug it, I guess. And just when I thought that I passed the hardest part, it became even harder. Oh god, it's another one of these connectors, I think. How am I supposed to get it then? There's a connector, I can see it. I'm scared. I don't feel like I can even reach it. I have to stick my hands somehow and disconnect it. I'm generally having issues fitting my fingers by there, let alone taking it out. Okay, wait. From this position, actually, I can kind of like get some clearance to it. Now remember this part, and especially the way the board is placed, because it will haunt me later on. There's less molding, which is good. It does not want to come out. Like, it's crazy how strong it is back there. Got one piece. No, but they should now come out actually. Like literally all of it is kind of like cleared. Dude, these cables are so strong together. And they did it so easily, and I don't get it how. It's out. So this is literally what caused me the problems, these black moldings everywhere. So this last part should be fairly easy. I just need to take all of these screws and we should be like all good to go, I think. And this should be fine. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh my god, this looks so naked. For me, like the most interesting thing is actually just seeing the insides. When you look from behind, you can see the little coils that cools this thing from these like little gaps around this hole. I can see these coils, so literally like everything is just here. So this is like most likely as deep as I can get. Like if I went past these screws, I would probably just get to the cooling coils, which is just crazy. Like this is quite a big job actually, and there's a lot of screws to do. And replacing this thing is probably gonna be the easiest thing ever. Pull these cables through, I guess. That's basically it. That's the whole switching part. Now I just gotta reassemble everything back in and hopefully it will turn back on. I really hope so. Spoiler, it might not. Well, taking it apart took me about 2 to 3 hours. Assembling it back took me only 10 minutes, which once again, it is so stupid to have the wheel rim inside of the actual housing rather than having it on top and being easily accessible without doing some surgery bomb diffusing type of stuff. Then came the moment of testing it and seeing if I managed to perform this rim swap successfully. I fucked up something. The lights are not working and there was no beeping noise. Let me check the software. The software is not detecting the wheel as well. Okay, well that's a bit problematic. I mean, it does work, but it doesn't get connected. Let me try replugging the things back on again. Oh! It worked, and there was a beeping noise, so we might be good actually. It's just reinstalling software right now, by the way. I've never heard it beep so much. So it failed because of an error. I mean, it could be because I plugged out the fan, but with the fan on, it doesn't work. There is the reset button. Maybe that can do something? How do I even set this thing? I am confused. Let me try to reinstall the software update again. Is it failing again? It's beeping. It is showing progress. I mean, it works. It's not beeping anymore, and the software does sense the wheel actually. So is this a W? Everything looked fine until I tried to use the buttons. Wait, but it's actually only detecting the wheelbase. It is not detecting the wheel itself. I am pressing it and it doesn't work. And it's not detecting this thing once again. And the whole wheel. Okay, what the fuck is happening? Before going to sleep yesterday, I wrote into the support section in their Cammus Discord server, and I got a suggestion that I need to flash the firmware, basically like reset it. Let's try it again just normally, and if it doesn't work, I'll try resetting it. The screen was working, so which means it is getting connection to it. It is beeping, but it's not detecting the hub, as I can see. And actually, in the software, it doesn't detect anything at all. Okay, now it is getting detected. So it's detecting the wheelbase, but it's not detecting the wheel hub. Yeah, like the wheel is working, everything's fine, but the button presses, well, they don't get detected at all. So we might need to reset it, I guess. The reset process once again was super confusing, as it is not disclosed anywhere on Cammus's website, and I had to follow another random YouTube tutorial to do this. I need to manually disable the app. So now I need to find the firmware data folder. Yes, now I need to find the right for the base, the DFU files. While resetting the wheel motor was easy and successful, resetting the actual button hub was not only challenging but just impossible. Okay, so now I should just press the reset button, hold it, and press the power button until I hear the beeps. I'm not hearing anything at all. Wait, that's because it doesn't beep sometimes. Let me check in the root demo app. It does detect it actually. Okay, right, and then I just need to flash the firmware. This is a lot of stress. Firmware update successfully. Now it is time to update the wheel hub, which is a similar process, just that I have to begin by pressing in these two buttons and then press the power on button. Okay, this should be fine. The DFU device is not found. Oh no, that's not good. It doesn't detect the hub. Let's just keep trying. It doesn't. Okay, let's try again. Right, I'll run it as administrator. At this point, I'm running out of ideas. It's not getting detected. What is wrong with you? After this, I tried once again opening up the wheel and checking maybe I disconnected something. Unfortunately, everything looked fine back there. I don't know what's wrong with it. It powers on eventually, like after a few times, but it doesn't detect the plate. I give up. I don't know what's wrong with it. Lastly, I wanted to at least try gaming on this wheel, which surprisingly worked, but only partially. No, I don't have pedals plugged in. The force feedback is there. Force feedback works, it's the buttons that don't work. I mean, this couldn't be more confusing, can it? And that brings us to today. I never ended up making this video until now, partly because I felt a bit guilty. I probably broke the board myself by resting it badly after this mod, although all the pins look fine. But also, I had some beef with Cammus at that time. Within just a few weeks, their wheel failed, their pedals failed, and we had some back and forth about them not sending me products even though we had a contract for it. So yeah, this project was just chilling on my PC. But looking back, the mods themselves? Genuinely solid, pretty high quality materials, well designed. I think it would have worked beautifully if the wheel just wasn't designed in a way that makes modding it feel like a gamble. What's funny is though, a few months ago Cammus started linking this exact mod on their website as a buy together option. Anyway, that's it for today's chaotic little comeback video. As you can probably tell, I'm finally moved into a new apartment, trying to get back into the rhythm and hopefully not to take another 4-month break. I cannot promise you that because there's a lot of things I still have to work on. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like it, maybe even subscribing, because apparently like 99% of you are not subscribed. So yeah, catch you in the next video. Bye bye.